Now let's see if you can pick objects beginning with the sound P. This is a boy's room. Let's explore the objects in his room that begins with the sound P. I can see some clothes here, a shirt and pants. Which cloth begin with the sound P? Shirt or pants? That's right, P. Pants. Shirt does not begin with the sound P. But what about the color of the shirt? Is it yellow, red, or purple? You are right. It's purple. P. Purple. What about this toy? Do you know the name of this toy? Yes, you're right. It's a puzzle. Puzzle is something to put pieces together to make a correct picture. Oh, look, he made a letter P by joining the pieces of this puzzle. Playing with puzzles make you very clever. Puzzle. I can see he also has some art supplies. He has pencils, markers, paints, paper and brushes. Which art supply begin with the sound P? You are right. P. Paints. P. Pencils. P. Paper. Oh, he has some cute stuffed toys too. He has a bear, a penguin, a panda, and a dog. Which stuffed toy begin with the sound P? Is it a bear, a penguin, a panda, or a dog? Yes, that's right. Penguin. P. Penguin. Oh, what did you say? Panda too? Awesome. You are absolutely right. P. Panda. P. Penguin. You did a great job. Why don't you explore your house or your classroom? Can you find objects beginning with the sound P? P. P.
Like, share and subscribe.